Good morning. Well, I'm going to do my sourdough, and I have starter. This was actually fed and left in the fridge for at least 5 days, 5 to 6 days, and it's still active. There's no hooch, there's no liquid. It is still very bubbly and very active. Okay, in that sense, it's still a good starter. And I've actually put a trial on starter straight out of fridge. Starter which is doesn't have that water liquid on top, or a layer of liquid on top, and it was very fine. I'll show you the video. I'll show you some pictures of my bread that I did with this particular starter, and I just used. I've got another enough. I've got another 200 gram worth of starter here, slightly more. However, I think I'll use that for my discard pancake or discard biscuit, which I will be doing next week. So let's see. I have not much time. So here, this type, if your starter is like this, a bit bubblish, straight out of the fridge, well, it was pretty good before I left it in the fridge. It beautifully risen, and then I used some, and then I left some, and then I used again. Perfectly fine. So when people tell you, oh, you need to feed your starter actively, it is again the way your starter is. My starter was like this, and I used it yesterday evening at 6:30, and at 2 o'clock in the night, 2 a.m., I was baking my sandwich loaf, which is beautifully perfect. No issue. So here goes.